Loan cars are everywhere. They offer a tempting alternative to buying a car outright. More and more people are choosing this option. But is it the right choice for you? Let's dive in. This essay explores the pros and cons of loan cars. We'll look at the convenience they offer. We'll also examine the potential financial pitfalls. By the end, you'll have the information you need to make a smart decision. Loan cars have several advantages. First, they offer convenience. You don't need a huge down payment. This makes getting on the road faster and easier. Second, loan cars can be cheaper upfront. Monthly payments are often lower than traditional car loans. This can free up your budget for other expenses. Finally, loan cars provide flexibility. You can choose a car that fits your current needs and lifestyle. When the lease is up, you can easily switch to a different model. While loan cars have their perks, there are also drawbacks. One major concern is the long-term cost. Over time, you could end up paying more than if you bought a car outright. Another potential issue is penalties. Going over your mileage limit or returning the car in poor condition can lead to hefty fees. Read the fine print carefully. Lastly, insurance for loan cars can be more expensive. Make sure you factor this into your budget. Compare quotes from different providers to get the best deal. When deciding between a loan car and buying, consider the long-term costs. It's not just about the initial price tag, but the overall financial commitment over time. Loan cars might seem cheaper initially, but the total expense can add up. Monthly payments, interest rates, and potential fees can make a loan car more costly in the long run. Owning a car means you'll eventually pay it off. Once the loan is settled, you no longer have monthly payments, and the car is entirely yours. You'll then have an asset you can sell or trade in. This can be a significant financial advantage, providing you with a lump sum or a down payment for your next vehicle. With a loan car, you'll always have monthly payments. This can impact your budget and limit your financial flexibility. Think about your financial goals. Are you looking to minimize monthly expenses, or are you aiming to build long-term equity? If building equity is important, owning a car might be the better option. Over time, the car can become a valuable asset, contributing to your overall net worth. If you prioritize flexibility and lower upfront costs, a loan car could be a good fit. It allows you to drive a newer model without a large initial investment, and you can switch cars more frequently. However, it's crucial to compare loan offers and understand the terms. Interest rates, loan duration, and additional fees can vary significantly, affecting the total cost. Ultimately, the decision between loaning and owning a car depends on your personal financial situation and lifestyle preferences. Weigh the pros and cons carefully to make the best choice for you. If you're considering a loan car, do your research. Compare offers from different dealerships. Don't be afraid to negotiate the terms of the lease. Pay close attention to the mileage limit. If you drive a lot, a lower limit could lead to extra charges. Choose a limit that suits your driving habits. Before signing anything, understand the terms of the contract. Know what happens if you need to end the lease early. Ask questions until you're comfortable. Section 6. Insurance and loan cars. Protecting your ride. Insurance for loan cars is crucial. Your regular car insurance might not provide sufficient coverage. You'll likely need additional protection from the dealership. This added insurance can be expensive. Shop around for the best rates. Don't be afraid to negotiate with the dealership. They might be willing to lower the price. Remember, accidents happen. Having adequate insurance protects you financially. It also gives you peace of mind while driving your loan car. Section 7. The future of loan cars. Trends and predictions. The loan car market is constantly evolving. New technologies and changing consumer preferences are shaping the industry. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular. Many dealerships now offer loan options for electric cars. This trend is expected to continue in the coming years. Another trend is the rise of subscription-based car services. These services offer more flexibility than traditional loan cars. They often include insurance and maintenance in the monthly fee. Section 8. Making the call. Are loan cars right for you? The decision to get a loan car is personal. It's a choice that can significantly impact your financial health and lifestyle. There's no right or wrong answer. Each option has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. It depends on your individual circumstances and financial situation. For some, the appeal of driving a new car every few years without the commitment of ownership is enticing. If you value flexibility and lower upfront costs, a loan car could be a good choice. This option often comes with lower monthly payments compared to buying. Just be aware of the potential long-term costs and penalties. Loan cars can come with mileage limits and wear and tear fees that can add up. If you prefer to build equity and have a car you can eventually own, buying might be the better option. Ownership allows you to drive without restrictions and sell the car when you choose. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Consider your driving habits, financial goals, and personal preferences. Consulting with a financial advisor can also provide valuable insights tailored to your situation. Ultimately, the right choice is the one that aligns best with your lifestyle and financial plans. Take your time, do your research, and make an informed decision. Section 9. Final thoughts. Drive smart. Choose wisely. Loan cars can be a convenient and flexible option for getting on the road. They offer the freedom to drive without the long-term commitment of ownership. Whether you need a car for a few days, weeks, or even months, loan cars can provide a practical solution. However, it's essential to understand both the advantages and disadvantages. While loan cars can be a great short-term solution, they can also come with higher costs and limited choices. It's important to weigh these factors carefully. Before signing any contracts, do your research. Compare offers, negotiate terms, and read the fine print. Make sure you understand all the fees and charges involved. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification on anything that seems unclear. And understand the insurance requirements. Insurance can be a significant part of the cost, so it's crucial to know what's covered and what isn't. Discuss your options with an insurance agent to find the best coverage for your needs. By being informed, you can make a smart decision that aligns with your financial goals. Take your time to evaluate all the options available to you. A well-informed choice can lead to a more satisfying and stress-free driving experience. Remember, the most important thing is to choose a car and a payment plan that you're comfortable with. Your comfort and peace of mind should be a priority. A car is a significant investment, and it's essential to feel confident in your decision. Drive smart, choose wisely, and enjoy the ride. Embrace the journey with confidence, knowing you've made the best choice for your needs and lifestyle.